Where'd the squirrel go?
Here you go. Whoa. Whoa.
Did you say hi to the squirrel? Layla, say hi, squirrel.
Hello.
Where'd the squirrel go?
Hello.
Where'd he go?
Eat food. Eat food.
He's eating food? Is the squirrel eating food?
Food.
Is that squirrel food?
Squirrel food. Eat.
Did the squirrel go bye-bye?
Squirrel. Yellow. Here
Where are you, squirrel?
Open. Thanks.
Say bye-bye, squirrel. Layla,
Hello.
say bye-bye, squirrel.
Hello.
Squirrel, go bye-bye. No, shh, it's okay.
Food. Eat food. Food.
That's not squirrel food.
Eat out. Eat out.
You want to feed the squirrel?
Okay.
The squirrel come back and have food later, okay? Say night-night, squirrel. Say bye-bye, night-night, squirrel.
No.
It's okay, baby. Come here.
Whoa.
The squirrel will be back later. Layla, you want to see the squirrel later?